So this is meant to.
So I think I'm glad we had this episode for Rosh Hashanah because it may have been only that how to not have this episode, and so you had different feelings too. You also knew about the beauty of the day.
So
and
I had to
and
go to a pharmacy nearby the hospital.
on Rosh Hashanah.
On Rosh Hashanah, they forced me. They said that you're not getting discharged without taking the box, and I asked, and everything was okay. But I was walking the streets of Manhattan, Rosh Hashanah, Broadway, and I was singing "V'yayda Kol Po" the
Beautiful.
whole time because I wanted to.
That's the song
I
you
wanted to
should sing.
remind myself that's Rosh Hashanah. There's no way of remembering without that.
Yeah.
Second of all, I wanted to say if Hashem wants me to be Megala His Malchisa here,
Yeah.
at least I should do it. You know, I should do something.
Wow.
I was just like Hashem Elokai Yisrael Melech in the middle of
Melech.
all this bustling.
Yeah. And that's really the tefillah. V'yeda kapur ke'ata be'alta. They should all see. If they would only know who the Eibishter is, there wouldn't be the bustling in Manhattan.
No, it's going to take a second. When Hashem is ready, when we are ready, when whoever needs.
I think it's going to come from our end, and slowly it's working.